Inflation is high, interest rates keep rising, all leading to a lot of speculation about the housing market. If only we had a crystal ball, right, to make sense of it all. But we can get a pulse on exactly what's going on from Jim Stallwalt. He is a broker owner of Better Homes and Gardens Star Home Team. Good morning, Jim. I think best to start here with a big question a lot of people have. Will housing inventory increase?
You know what? Housing inventory is not going to increase because we have such a large buyer pool right now. You know, with millennial, Hispanic, and baby boomers, we've got the largest pool of home buyers we've ever seen. So with inventory right now at a record low, it's 44 days right now. So if we didn't put one more house on the market, we'd be out of homes to sell in 44 days.
Wow. So for viewers who maybe want to downsize right now, maybe move to Florida, what can sellers do if they want to put their homes on the market for 2023?
You know what, the homes that are staged properly on our team, on the Star Home Team, we always send out stagers to get the houses prepped properly. The photography has to be dynamite, and buyers want to buy that house that's 100% move-in condition, and it has to be priced right. You can't outprice the market. You can't test the market, because that's why we're seeing price reductions right now. They're saying the largest price reductions we've seen in a long time, but that's because people are still trying to overinflate the market. But prices are still high, and they really haven't gone down since last year at their high point.
So prices are still high, so buyers definitely want to get it right and find the right home for them. So what can they do to find a good home in this housing market right now?
You know what, they really need to get with an experienced real estate agent. They need to have their pre-approval in hand, and they need to go out even before they're ready. I like to give them one of the contracts. It's a 13-page real estate purchase contract with, I think it's 38 paragraphs. So it's nice to have that prepared. When you see that house that you fall in love with, you need to make that offer right away, because houses are still going very fast.
Make that offer right away. Don't delay. I had to end with the rhyme. Jim Stallwalt, thank you so much for your time this morning and your expertise. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Now, the website you can go to for more information, by the way, starhometeam.com.